it's Ken from DYC Studios, and it is a super hot day in Germany. As you can tell, I'm sweating a little bit, but things are about to get hotter in my home studio. Hotter, or could I say cooler? Regardless, things are about to get even more awesome. Now, I think you guys all know that I love lighting, and I'm a big fan of Govee. In fact, I actually have the Govee glide lights right there, and the neon rope right there. And I really love how it's kind of given my home studio that extra pop, especially when I'm doing live streams or just recording things just for fun. Now, I have something that's probably not going to be seen on camera that much, but it will add to my overall experience. Something that will add more light when I'm watching movies or streaming, YouTube videos, or that will just look cool when I'm gaming and just kind of create this awesome surreal atmosphere. Now, you're probably wondering, Ken, what are you talking about? What do you have that you're about to show us? Well, hey, guys, I have the Govee Flow Pro light bar right here with camera. Now, I've seen this called different things depending on what region you live in. But I do think it's really awesome. It has the same RGB IC technology that you have with the Govee Glide and the Govee neon rope light. So let's take this out, let's get it set up and see how it looks. I'm excited. All right, guys. So it is a bigger box than the other one, so I might have to set it down. But, how am I gonna do this? I'm gonna set it on my knee. We have the Govee, again, card. Your journey begins now. My journey is constantly continuing to evolve. I think I got three of those now. You have the user manual right here. And then to get into it, you have to lift this next piece up. Okay, right there, I guess these are probably gonna be the light bars themselves. Ooh, they are wrapped pretty well, nicely. I'm gonna pull these out carefully. Don't want to drop them on the floor because that would be a bad thing, right? Oh, they're connected to a wire. Okay, so I guess you pull this out first. Good to know. And then slide everything out. They're actually kind of smaller than what I would have thought. Okay, all right, we'll set this box on the floor. Okay. And there's a couple of plastic bags around them, but essentially these are the two light bars, and one will go on one side of my computer and one will go on the other side of my computer. This is really nice, really nifty. I did think that these would be bigger, but that's okay. I don't have a lot of space left on my desk, so hey, if anybody ever has a desk company wants to sponsor me, then that would be amazing. But no, seriously, I think that's great. We also have the power bar right here that you just plug in. All right, definitely don't want to lose that. We have where to find the camera. So the camera is in one of these boxes down below as well too. You have the accessories box. I like this that it tells you where to find stuff in your package. That's cool, Govee, because it's a lot of stuff and you don't want to lose any of it. Okay. This is a small little thing right here, and we're just gonna kind of pop this out. This is like what I believe I've seen is the hub right there. Oops, turn it around right, there you go. And this is where you plug the lights into, and then you have your USB and everything else. It does have a 3M sticky thing on the back, and I've seen people stick this on the back of their monitors. Why would you do that? I have a nice BenQ monitor. Sorry, I'm not sticking anything sticky to it. So this will be sitting somewhere safe behind everything, okay? All right, so we have that right there. Again, I don't want to lose anything, so I'm gonna set things very carefully to the side. We have the stands where you can actually put the Govee. You want to have them sitting on your desktop, that way you can move them around slightly. So I have those right there. These are the ones I'm probably going to use because I think these ones are really nice. I'm going to set these over to this. Well, maybe I'll put them back and we'll lift that piece up. That's the key. Don't want to lose things, don't want to break things. This is brand new. Want to get it all set right. Okay? Then you have another option, which is this right here. Now you could place your lights in this and then again, use the 3M sticky things right there and attach to your wall or to the back of your monitor. Guys, I would really not do that. If you have an expensive monitor, I would not stick anything to that. So I would use the stands. But hey, it is up to you how you do your own setup. If you want to slap big sticky things to the back of something, then go ahead. I'm personally not going to do that. That just, no, sorry. I got a really nice monitor. I'm not messing it up. So let's take this out right here. Okay. Ooh, there's a lot in this box, let me tell you. All right. Now I believe this is the camera right here, according to the little map layout right there. And let me pull this out and see how this works. So this is the camera right there. And basically it attaches to your top of your monitor and then looks down, and that's how it tells the colors of everything. Again, they're using the 3M sticky thing right there. And personally, again, why would you do that? Why would you put something like this? Give me a clamp, that way I can move things around, because maybe I want to eventually move this to the living room. Who knows? I am going to try to do something, I don't know. We're going to try to rig this where we don't have to use that sticker, because I don't really want to use that. I have an expensive monitor. I'm sorry. I don't want to stick things to my monitor. I wish they did have some kind of clip. But hey, regardless, we're going to try this and see if it works out, and hopefully it does. All right, I'm just going to stick this back in this little box right here and put it off to the side. Okay. The next thing. Okay, we have the orange little cubes. And you're going, what are those? What are those, Ken? What? Who needs orange little foam cubes? Okay, so what this is, when you're doing the setup, is you put these around your monitor, or the monitor that you want to have reflect the color. And then the camera reads this and transmits it and goes, hey, this is how the monitor looks and how it's set up, and this is the size, and this is how we're taking the information from the monitor and making the lights flash and look all cool. So this is what these are for. These aren't little things that you just stick on things or whatever. These are for your setup. So really cool that these are in here. I'm excited. I'm really excited to see how this looks and this is set up and how it turns out. I think from what I've seen, the setup is pretty easy, so I'm not going to go into the setup and show you guys how to set that up, but I think just seeing how the overall end effect is the cool part for me, you know, and that's what I want to show you guys, because it's a simple system. It's not brain surgery setting this up. Let me tell you, I've watched videos on it. It's super easy. Now, I think this will look really cool. Again, I'm going to try to rig the camera, the camera where I don't have to use the 3M sticky stuff on it, because who knows, like I said, maybe eventually I want to bring this to the TV in the living room and hook it up there, you know, or maybe this monitor goes bad and I need to get a new monitor, or maybe I decide to sell that monitor, you know, and get a new monitor. Hey, anything is possible. I don't want to stick things on €1,000 monitor. Sorry guys, not gonna happen. So we're gonna see if I can work with my good old paper tape and make it stay up. I do wish it had kind of a back clip on it, that way you could kind of work with tape a little bit better, but we're gonna try and see if it can work. If not, then okay, I will stick it to the monitor. Okay, all right, we'll find out. So I'm gonna be back in just a few minutes and I'm gonna show you what it looks like set up, and I think it's gonna be really cool. So guys, stay tuned, I'll be right back. All right, before we dive into the video, I want to apologize first for the wire octopus that's living behind my computer at the moment. I do need to fix that eventually at some point, but at this is not the normal angle that you would see things. So when I'm sitting down, I don't see the wires as bad, but yes, they are there. And I don't know, maybe I need a professional to come in and fix all the wires for me. But I wanted to do something different and showcase how the Govee Flow reacts to colors. And most people are doing this through video and things of that nature. But me being a graphic designer, I turned on Adobe Photoshop, and here you can see me just painting with the brush, different colors, and seeing how the lights react to, you know, very main, simple tones. And I think that's kind of nice to see how they do react. Now, could it be a little bit better? Yeah, but I think we are getting there. I do like Govee. I think Govee does a really good job. And I will be using these lights probably not so much when I'm streaming, but when I am watching like a movie on Netflix or Amazon Prime or Disney Plus. I think it's just going to enhance that experience. Or if I'm playing like a video game like Valorant or League of Legends or something of that nature, you know, maybe even Fortnite, I don't know, Rogue Company. I think it just adds to the experience. It's just something fun and creative. Is it something necessary? No, because it's off camera, but it is cool to have and I do like it. Now, I think it's really neat to see how these do react to the different colors that I'm painting on the screen, and you can kind of see it's not always 100%, you know, on par, but it does do the basics, and I think that's kind of cool. And yeah, it's kind of neat to really see how it does react. Now, in the next video, I do have a little video that I'm going to play. We're going to have the bumper, my intro, playing so you guys can see how the lights react to my Welcome to Dussel York City Studios bumper. And I think that's going to be kind of cool to see how it reacts to the video. So check this out.